नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र. तर आज आपण AC सिरीज सर्किट पाहूया. AC सिरीज सर्किटमध्ये आपण बेसिक डेफिनेशन आज स्टडी करूया. करंटची बेसिक डेफिनेशन. करंट कोणत्याही सर्किटमधून जर करंट फ्लो असेल, करंट फ्लो म्हणजे नेमकं काय, तर आपण कशा प्रकारे आपण जर फॉर एक्सपेरिमेंटली वी विल सी हिअर दिस इज द मॅग्निफाइड व्यू ऑफ कंडक्टर. Because of voltage, current is flowing through the circuit. But what is current actually? The current is nothing but the flow of electrons. From negative terminal, electrons starts flowing towards the positive terminal. Electrons having negative charge. And current, the direction of current is from positive plate of battery to the negative plate. That means the direction of current and direction of flow of electron is exactly opposite to each other. See here. The definition of current is it is the flow of electrons through the conductor. Electron हा इलेक्ट्रॉनचा फ्लो आहे आणि हा कुठून आहे, हा कंडक्टरच्या मधून इलेक्ट्रॉनचा फ्लो आहे. See here, our another definition is voltage. What is meant by voltage? Voltage is nothing but it is the potential difference between 2 points. Voltage म्हणजे हा 2 पॉइंट मध्ये मोजलेला पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स आहे. ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जर व्होल्टेजचं मोजायचं असेल तर या ठिकाणी आपला 2 पॉईंट गरजेचं आहे. मग व्हॉट इज व्होल्टेज? और व्होल्टेज इज ऑल्सो नोन एज EMF. EMF means electromotive force. The force which motivates electron to flow through the conductor, that force is known as EMF. That force is known as voltage. See here, it is the potential difference between 2 points. Consider A and B are the 2 points. A having some charge, B having some charge. When we measure the voltage, when we connect. Third definition is resistance. What is resistance? It is the opposition to the flow of electric current offered by resistor. It is denoted by letter R and symbol of resistance is this. This is the fixed resistance and this is the variable resistance. This arrow shows the variable quantity. We can say that this resistance is variable resistance. Next definition is reactance. What is reactance? Reactance is also opposition to the flow of electric current offered by inductor and capacitor. इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटरने जर करंटला अपोज केलं तर आपण त्याला बोलतो रिॲक्टन्स. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय लेटर एक्स. रिॲक्टन्स इज डिनोटेड बाय लेटर एक्स and the unit of reactance is ohm. It is also all opposition. The unit of all opposition is ohm. Ohm is the unit of reactance. Reactance is of 2 types. reactance चे 2 टाइप्स असतात. तर 2 टाइप कुठले? The inductive reactance XL and capacitive reactance XC. XL is inductive reactance and XC is capacitive reactance. See here, inductive reactance is the opposition to the flow of electric current offered by inductor. Inductor is known as by letter L. Inductor, it is the coil. Inductor is nothing but the coil of conducting material. Opposition to the flow of electric current offered by inductor is known as XL, and formula for XL is equal to 2 pi FL. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Now we see the capacitive reactance. The definition of capacitive reactance is it is the opposition to the flow of electric current offered by capacitor, and the formula for XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. Now we will see next definition. यानंतर आपण पुढची डेफिनेशन पाहूया. पुढची डेफिनेशन आहे पॉवर. इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किटमध्ये 3 टाईपच्या पॉवर असतात. फर्स्ट इज ॲक्टिव्ह पॉवर. पहिली जी पॉवर आहे ती ॲक्टिव्ह पॉवर. ॲक्टिव्ह पॉवरचा काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? ॲक्टिव्ह पॉवर इट इज डिनोटेड बाय लेटर P and formula for active power is P is equal to VI cos phi. P is equal to VI cos phi, where P is the power. Active power is also known as real power. It is also known as true power, and the unit of active power is watt or kilowatt. The next power is reactive power. Reactive power is the imaginary power which is produced in the circuit by capacitor or inductor. It is denoted by letter Q and formula for reactive power is Q is equal to Vi sin phi. Q is equal to Vi sin phi. The unit of reactive power is VAR or kVAR. The third and last power in the electrical circuit is apparent power. It is denoted by letter S. It is the product of voltage and current. The unit of apparent power is VA or kVA. Transformer is designed in this apparent power. Next definition is impedance. In previous definitions we have studied the definition of resistance and reactance. Resistance, it is the opposition to the flow of electric current offered by a resistor, and reactance is the opposition to the flow of current offered by inductor and capacitor. If the opposition offered by combined resistance, capacitor and induction, what we say that आपण त्याला काय म्हणू शकतो, तर आपण जर अपोजिशन हे रेजिस्टर, इंडक्टर आणि कॅपॅसिटर यांनी अपोज केला असेल तर त्याला आपण म्हणतो इम्पेडन्स. लेट अस सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इम्पेडन्स. Impedance is denoted by letter Z. It is the opposition to the flow of electric current offered by resistor, inductor and capacitor. The unit of impedance is ohm, and the formula for impedance is Z is equal to R plus jX, where R is the resistive part and X is the reactive part. If in circuit there is inductor, then we can say that X we can consider as X as XL, and if there is capacitor, then we consider X as XC, where XL and XC are, XC is the inductive reactance and XL is capacitive reactance. Our next definition is power factor. Power factor is the cosine angle between voltage and current. We can say that power factor is also known as the power consuming capacity of the circuit. It is unitless quantity. The value of power factor is in between 0 to 1, and normally we can write power factor as cos phi. The power factor is unitless quantity.